So I'm just smoothing it out, kind of going around the bit. And again, this is going to take some practice to get your movements just right, to hold your bits just right. It doesn't happen overnight. You kind of have to put some work into it. So got that part carved. I'm going to come down with a piece wrapping around this part. You want to make sure your stones stay wet so that you don't get any of this lapidary dust in your face and in your lungs. I can kind of tell that my bit is starting to wear down, so you can kind of see that it's turning black while I cut, which is a sure sign of the diamond coming off of it. So I'm going to have to change bits, throw this bit away because the diamond's worn off, but I want to get a bit that's about the same size as this bit that I'm using. There we go. Just throw that in the garbage. Diamond came off of it, and now it's just pretty much steel rubbing across the stone and just not really cutting as well and mucking up everything, so you can't really see what you're doing.